Alright, Kayla.
All the way out.
You go around on one side.
Yes, like that.
I stepped in a hole.
That's the same thing
That's what happened to me, but I didn't shriek like a girl.
Got it. That was the same thing I did. I almost did it.
Alright, guys, let her concentrate on getting.
Okay, so should we go?
I'm filming everybody goes across.
I want to push her so badly. Think about how we're going to go back across this.
I have great balance because I'm.
That one. Come here. That's the hole. Come get out of the way. Yeah.
Let her, you leap.
Natalie, move out of the way. We're filming.
Dang it.
Okay. Hannah, fall. I hate you.
Are you coming?
No, there's James. Okay, where am I stepping? This.
Right there. Right in that hole. And then.
And that